not with confirmation bias. So if you find yourself fitting in that cycle for the group that's around you, that is not the group for you. You can be your best and still be a part of other people because best is the objective. And so, what you will be doing when you come together with people who are not conforming, who are not in the cycle, is you will be sharing best practices. When I get information from you all, when you're in challenges, you email me, I send you information that's going to help you become your best. If I stay in those cycles, there is no email about anything because I'm only going to give you the cookie cutter answer for this 1 to 3 things that I know how to do, and that's it. So, neurologically, you have to break these cycles so that everybody around you can be best and you can all share best practices that you can use in order for you to keep being your best. That's what the purpose of 10 is, to access your full potential, everything that you can do, and then some. But if everybody is doing the exact same thing, you all are stuck right there. If this is how you do it and you can't do it any other way, that's no bueno. So you're using your personal accountability, the 74 principles of real leadership, to break the cycle. It's 10. I'm out of here. That's that cycle. I'm about to create a new cycle. I'm going to do things that have never been done before. I am going to take risk. I am going to challenge myself. Unlimited possibilities or endless possibilities because I'm not going to stay in this fixed mindset. I'm going to have a growth mindset and I'm going to keep growing forward with or without y'all. Y'all don't want to be 10. You don't want to be this holistic experience. It's perfectly acceptable over there. Over here, we grow forward. Over here, we take risk. Over here, we combine all these different things to create something that doesn't exist. Over here, we increase our working memory every single day until the day after we're no longer here. That's the purpose of today's morning mental workout. The information portion of it is that you don't have to stay in the cycle. Okay? Get off the merry-go-round. Get off the Ferris wheel. Leave. Break the cycle and start your own cycle. Break it. Break it. That's why this 10 is exploding. Break the cycle. Break it. It doesn't have to be that way. And that's what I'm showing you is I tell people all the time, when you see me, you need to see a walking miracle. You need to see that anything is possible. Down don't mean out. It just means you're just going to be stronger when you get back up again. That's all it means. You ain't taking me out. You know how many times I almost died in 51 years? It ain't time for me to go. It's not. And even if after I'm gone, look at how much has been created in 4,212, 13 days. Because that's what's possible when you wire new neural pathways to your brain. I left Frito-Lay not knowing how to do anything regarding small business, nonprofits, or public speaking or anything. I didn't know how to do any of that stuff. I was in the Army and I had a corporate job. Was I killing it in both of those? Yeah, but all this you see now in the last 11 years is trial and error. But it's thousands of days of trial and error. Thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of days. Do not limit yourself because of the cycle that you and your retinue are in. Do not be limited. Be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind. That's why you get rid of unaccountable people. That's why you don't stay in stuck malaise. Because if you do what you're supposed to, you're going to be stuck. You're going to be stuck in something that's not rewarding and that's not fulfilling. If I had stayed in that corporate job, nothing that you see today exists. And all of that, I have always been feeling like in the corporate job and in the Army, I was like, man, I can just do more than this. I can do more. And people still holding me back, stepping on my coattails and everything. You're doing too much. You're doing too much. And now I can soar like an eagle. Can't stop me. And every day I get to do something new and extraordinary. The format for this live since January 19th has changed. We are in February 25th. And it has grown and evolved. And people wanted me to keep it like it was on TikTok. I ain't on TikTok no more. I am, but I'm only there Monday at 3 o'clock p.m. I'm not going to stay there for other people's comfort level. If you like that, go back and look at that old footage. People like old shows. Tubi and all of them have those old shows on. But that doesn't mean that the